My favorite part of the design project is the end. And seriously, it's seeing all of that work, all of that time, and all of those design decisions, and then it's there in one beautiful, cohesive package. We think of every last detail. Everything flows together. Whatever we're selecting, from texture to palette to the fabrics, everything has a flow to it. And that is what gives the home that warmth. It's that process, it's that flow. I think that's really important, and that's what a designer helps do. The right stage of a project to hire a designer is definitely the beginning. I mean, really before a shovel's even in the ground. A designer is able to work with the architect, the builder, make adjustments before any walls are up yet or windows are in place, and we're able to look at the plans, have the conversations with the client, and really understand what the end result is going to be. So if we need to make modifications, we can do it before any time or money has been spent. It's so important as a designer, especially in a new construction project, to be on site every day, sometimes 3-4 times a day. So much happens and goes into a build, whether it's the electrical, the plumbing. We're able to catch things so that it's not a problem later. The most important thing when you're working with a designer is trust. It's a lot of money, it's a lot of time together. It's so important to trust what they're going to do. A client's reaction just makes you get up in the morning. I mean, that's really what you live for. Just to see how happy they are in their home, in their space. You've brought their vision to life. There's nothing better than seeing that happiness.